Hey guys, it's me again, Maria, and welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. And we are here today at PQ Mall. Check natin yung expo nila and hahanap tayo ng mga plans na pwede nating i-include sa wish list ngayong 2021. And as always, I'm with my partner, Gerald. So nandito din siya ngayon. If you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, do not forget to subscribe and tap the bell button para ma-notify kayo pag may bago kaming video. If you are ready, let's begin. Guys, just in case you do not know, dito sa Bohol, kabila po talaga yung mga expo na nagaganap. Halos lahat ng mall merong expo. And minsan nga, nagsisimula na yung sa isang mall, hindi pa tapos yung isa. So, ayan, nandito tayo sa BQ Mall. In fact, napadaan lang kami dito. It's really not the purpose why we are here. But since eto, nadaanan na lang din namin. So, sumaglit kami because we are also planning to buy some coco poles. So, eto, meron palang pink princess dito. I'm also rooting for a pink princess, guys. But yung malaki na, meron kami maliliit kasi. So, I'm also dreaming to have a huge one. I am definitely including Philodendron Super Atom in my list kasi wala ako nito. And of course, ang pagkamahal-mahal na Jose Bono. But who knows? We can get one in the near future. So baka naman makakuha kami ng ganyan. So include na natin yan and watch out for it. Anyway guys, so this is a total voiceover. Baka magtaka kayo kasi nga we are inside the mall and kapag nasa mall ka talaga maraming music. So we do not want any copyright claims. So we have here the Monstera Peru, the variegated or the Ring of Fire, variegated Ring of Fire yung nakalagay dito. This Monstera Adansonii na malaki na. This is 750 but I bought one for just 400. So X tayo dyan. So sa mga nakikita ko ngayon, I want the Monstera Peru and also the Philodendron Super Atom. So yun yung mga goals ko for 2021. This Philodendron Pink Princess is worth 4,000. Malaki naman yung variegation niya. And also guys, I want to say Bono, but even the smallest one is so expensive. So it's a no for me. For now lang naman. The Radicans guys is 2,500. I also want this Anthurium Crystal Hope and it's 9,500. So, it's one of my wish list for this year pero medyo hindi pa kaya. This one huge pink princess is worth 5,000. Hindi naman ganun kalaki yung variegation niya. Meron na akong Cobra Fern so wala na yan, wala na yan. And they have a dwarf billet here na worth 4,500. And since we already have Philodendron billet from Brilliant Green so it's out of my wish list. This is the Anthurium Magnificum so meron na kami nito. So, if you guys don't have it, then meron sila dito. Merong malalaki, guys. This one huge Magnificum here is worth 3,800. Pero marami pang mas mura dito. Ito kasi sobrang laki na. So, ayan, 3H siya, guys. This Philodendron Blackmond yung nakalagay. But this is a Royal Queen. Malaki na din siya. Pwede na siguro tong makat. It's worth 4,000 pesos. Pero meron na ako nito. So, hindi na to included sa list. They have small black cardinals here, guys. They're worth 3,500. So, I'm still including black cardinal on our list and I want to have a lot of them. Meron kami isa lang yung natira, yung maliit lang. So, I want to have more. So, soon baka makakuha kami. I-share ko din po sa inyo. And guys, this is a new shop, A&4S. They have great collections. They also have this large jungle fever, guys. And it's even variegated. So, ganyan siya kalaki for 4,000 pesos. So, eto sila. I think they are first-timers when it comes to expos here in Bohol. And according to Miss Susette Pareha, collections niya talaga to. Meron lang mga onti sa kanila na na-purchase. So, they have these white wizards. So, itong mga maliliit, guys, they have 4,000 pesos. Meron din pong 7,000. The Philodendron Mayoy is worth 1,200. So, ayan. Malaki na din to. Malaki na rin yung sa akin. So, not included in the list. I don't have white wizard yet. So, baka yon. Yung Ring of Fire is worth 3,500. I don't have Ring of Fire yet. So, I'll include this. They also have this variegated philodendron babsi, guys. And ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung shop name as well as the contact number just in case you are interested to get some plants from them. They also had huge pink princesses daw. However, medyo nahuli na kami kasi naibenta na. And ito na lang yung natira with a very beautiful variegation. But walang nakalagay na price kasi na-reserved na siya. So, kukunin na daw to mamaya. They already had a deal with the buyer. So, kung sana hindi to na-reserve and hindi siya sure buyer, kukunin ko to. There is one huge alocasia zebrina as well. But gusto ko sana ng zebrina ha. Gusto ko siyang i-include sa list pero parang hindi siya mahilig sa alocasia eh. And this is Misoset Pareja. So sila yung may-ari ng AN4S plant collections from Corelia, Bohol. They have baby variegated alocasias here and also the philodendron gloriosum, but I already have this so I'm not including them in the list. Meron pag isang pink princess dito pero hindi ganun kalaki yung variegation niya unlike dun sa napakita ko kanina. And variegation is something that is important for me when I look for a pink princess because it is known a pink princess because of its pink variegation. There is a pretty golden Calkins. Wala pa ako nito so I'm including that in the list. Ito yung malaking white wizard nila, guys. Meron kaming white knight but not white wizard. So, I'm including it. Baka ma-afford ko to soon. Baka makakita ako ng much cheaper price. Ito kasi medyo pricey sila and hindi ko pa sila afford for now. But if you can afford to get some, then you may try coming here at AN4S na booth. Kasi marami silang white wizard na available. Ito din si Sir, mabait po si Sir. Sobrang accommodating niya. Moving on to the next booth, marami po silang mga variegated na chestnut tree or also known as money tree. So this one right here is 12.5. Merong twisted o parang bonsai yung itsura niya na money tree. It's worth 10,000 pesos. So if you have money trees at home, so and guys, mahal po siya, lalo na kapag variegated. So yung Anthurium clarinervium, even the small one is worth 4,500. I do not have this, so I'm definitely including it. And pati na rin tong Anthurium na Crystal Hope na pagkamahal-mahal. The Paraiso Verde, guys, is also beautiful, pero mahal talaga siya. I do not know if we'll have a chance to own one, but it's definitely among the list. I still cannot believe that I was able to buy a Monstera Adansonii close to that size for just 400 pesos. So, there is also a Philodendron Florida Mint. Mahal din siya, guys. And I don't have it yet. So, baka soon.
Shout out, Brandon. Shout out, Brandon.
Sobrang naami siya na nakikita ng one of his friends dito. Maybe plantito na rin si Brad June. Most of the plants in this area, meron na kami. So, they are not included in the list anymore. But the red emerald or the imperial red is worth 2,300 pesos. So, ayan, there is one young shopper here, guys. So, siya po yung may-ari ng Rudo Plantes. So, this is Luke Trotten. Shout out, Luke! So, ayan, shopper siya for today. Hindi siya sumali sa expo. Usually kasi during expos, meron siyang sariling booth with rare plants as well. But for now, shop-shop lang. And guys, wala po kaming philodendron linnet. So, I am definitely including this in the list. If you want philodendrons na pasok sa budget, then you can opt for philodendron lemon lime, guys. Ayan, pwede na silang makat. Medyo mahal talaga ang super atom, guys. So, ito yung itsura nila, parang mga baby silom. There is one huge philodendron red Congo here. So, meron na kaming red Congo. Ayan, ito talaga yung pinaka-goal namin kung bakit kami nandito. And that is to get a cocoa pole. Kasi nasugatan siya kakagawa ng cocoa pole. And marami pa kaming vining plants. The Dang Amporn is beautiful, pero meron na kami nito. So, skip tayo dyan. Ha? Sumot ni mo. It's so surprising, guys. Mahal pala talaga ang cocoa pole. So, ang laki pala ng naitipid namin dati kasi ginagawa lang namin sa bahay. So, itong mga 3 feet lang, guys, it's worth 180 pesos. Yung gamit din kasi nila, yung pole na blue, ano ba yung tawag doon? If it's really a goal to save guys, much better talaga if gawin mo na lang sa bahay kasi mas makakamura ka. The longer ones are worth 240 pesos. So talagang nare-realize ko ngayon na sobrang laki ng naitipid namin dati. And kung hindi lang talaga siya nasugatan ngayon sa kakagawa kasi parang hinihigpitan niya yung pagtatay para at least kahit kami lang yung gumawa or kahit nasa bahay lang good quality pa din siya. Hindi kasi yung material na ginagamit namin, hindi yung mga PVC o PVC pipe, yun yung name ng glue na yun. Hindi PVC pipes yung gamit namin eh. Kaya kahoy lang. So mas makakatipid kasi pag binili mo talagang magiging mahal siya because of the material that they are using aside from the coconut fiber. So, ayan, meron po siyang sugat sa kamay. Hindi ko lang ma-focus or hindi siya masyadong nakikita dito sa camera. Basta meron ng hiwa dyan. Gamit kasi niya yung nylon thread and medyo masakit yon kapag hinihigpitan. So, ayan, we consider buying. Kung hindi lang sana nagkasukat, hindi ako bibili. Pero worth it naman yung price na 180 kasi talagang sturdy siya tingnan and yung material na gamit talagang matibay and malinis yung pagkakagawa. And guys, I'm so amazed with this golden barrel. So sa tingin nyo, paano kaya sila irerepat sa ganyan? Paano to irerepat guys? This is the usual color of the golden barrel. Pero meron akong nakita kanina guys eh. Medyo kulay pink siya. So yun, puntahan natin. Nasa dulo. This is not really the usual golden barrels na nakikita ko. I do not know the exact name ha. Pero kulay pink kasi siya. Mukha siyang kinulayan. So, let's check it out. So, ayan. Ito siya guys. Tingin nyo, kinulayan ba to? Or meron talagang ganito. Hindi kasi ako masyadong familiar. And hindi ako expert sa mga ganitong types of plants. Aside from the fact na hindi ako magaling mag-alaga ng succulents and cacti, it is also a personal choice. Ayoko muna ng mga thorny na plants. So, this one right here is a beautiful pink princess. So, sa list lang muna siya guys kasi medyo mahal nga. And these are from Nifty Interiors and Creations. Sobrang ganda ng mga pots nila. Ayan guys, may lush na burl marks dito. Pero kasi meron na kaming burl marks. So, ito yung magiging itsura niya. Once naka-pole and dumami na yung dahon. So, yun din yung ginawa namin nun sa amin, diba? Nilagyan namin ng pole. And maraming mga succulents dito, guys. Perfect ilagay sa mga office tables. So, yung mga maliliit na plants. And there is one beautiful giant moonlight. So, yun, sobrang ganda niya. So, sising-sisi ako na nilet go ko yung giant moonlight namin. This one is worth 900. Tricolor ata to. Tricolor to. So, 900 sila yung mga babies. Meron kami niyan eh. So, yan meron mga newly propagated ones dito, guys. A lot of buyers would prefer small plants eh. So, dito tayo sa parang close to the last booth. Ito yung booth ng mga teachers from Tubigan West Central High School. If I'm right lang ha, kasi kasamahan ng kapatid ko sa work. So, ayan, marami silang plants available, guys. And meron din po silang garden within the city. Nasa likod po ng Camp Dagohoy or commonly known as Barracks. So, sa likod sa Barracks. Baka soon mapuntahan natin and ma-visit natin yung garden. So, for now, eto munang display nila sa expo. Medyo madami din yung plants na meron sila dito. And this is located in front of the entrance of BQ Mall Department Store. Nakapunta na din po kami sa garden nila before and we are looking forward to come back for more kasi nga marami tayong plants na gustong i-collect ngayong 2021. And I do hope that you have your own choices as well sa mga nakita nyo today kung ano yung mga plants na gusto nyong i-collect. So marami silang pink princess dito. Oh, these are my dream pink princess. So, ayan, malaki yung variegations nila. Soon, I'll get to own some. Meron silang variegated balanghoy, guys, na daanan ko. And before we end this video, shout out to Ryan Galimba, to Sir Ralph Evander Idol. Hello, thank you for watching. To Ma'am Elsa De La Peña. Also to Teacher Sabina. Hello, ma'am. And to Rosaline Avila. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. And thank you for watching. That is pretty much it. Thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon beside it so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys!